so you gotta... Ow! Yes, you've got this! No pain, no gain. Wow! Not that kind of pain. Woohoo! No way! Can't believe this is happening! Thank you so much!
I hope we're not intruding. I'm sorry, we'll make it quick if that's all right with you.
Chica!
Welcome home.
Oh, hey, Mom. Owie! Because... Oh, she's terrified that I'll become a lot more popular than she is!
In your dreams.
Who asked you? What about your signs? You're just as doomed.
No offense, but it is getting pretty noticeable.